And I want to talk today about integrations. So MailerLite has a ton of third-party integrations, as you can see here. And I am just at the MailerLite.com/integrations page. You can also find it through your dashboard. Just going to help and typing in integrations, it'll pull it up for you. But you can see here, you can, if you've got an e-commerce shop like Shopify, you can go ahead and integrate, so you can grab all of those people that shop and it'll dump them into your MailerLite subscriber list. You can integrate with Facebook and put a sign up form on your Facebook page. I'm not going to do this because on my Roost Rubs Facebook page I have a Shop Now button, and I would prefer that one, so it takes them directly to the shop. You can also integrate with WordPress. We're going to be doing that in a video here shortly. So I'll just scroll through and let you look at all the ones. Some of these you may currently have. So it's good to know that you can add those. If there's one that you have that's not on the list, you can go here to Zapier, however you pronounce that one. I've heard it both ways. And you can set up zaps, they call them, to integrate and do functions for you if there's not an automatic integration here. If you have a Squarespace website, they also have that. Thrive themes and the Thrive list building tools that are available. Very popular, very good tools. So as you can see, there's tons and tons of them here. Sumo, that's also a great list building site. They have a lot of free apps that you can use. They also have paid apps. Great for converting your visitors into subscribers. So here's just a huge list here. And again, if you don't see what you're looking for, you can Google your app, or you can go through Zapier and pull them together. And here's MailMunch. That's another that's similar to Sumo. And I think they have a free and a premium, but there's lots of free options here. And that is basically it. You just go to the integration page, and whatever you're looking for, you click Learn More. And I'll do that here. And it gives you the option. And for the next video, we're going to try it out, and we're going to do the WordPress.